Okay, Craig and Tracy here, Caravans by the Campfire. Welcome to our little show. We've got some special activities today, haven't we? Where are we going?
Four-wheel drive, Sydney four-wheel drive adventure show.
Yeah, now look, we go to these shows all the time. However, we're going to this show because there's two really exciting products out there. They're just getting overtaken now, these shows, by caravans and hybrids and new innovations. So, the two things I want to have a look at are the ARB Earth Camper.
Oh, yes.
I think that's going to be sensational. I haven't seen that before.
In real life, in the flesh.
It's going to be a sensational price too.
Well, it's ARB.
What do you reckon?
It comes with the price. It's in the territory.
Oh, yes, look. But the real thing that I want to be having a look at is on the Move Caravans. They have their adventure series. Just come out recently, a few months ago. And some of the technology, when do you see this thing? I think it's just crazy.
Well, you think it's crazy.
And there's a Jayco stand. I can't wait to get there. Maybe they got a Silverline.
Oh, of course they're going to have one.
We're going to take one of these Silverlines, mate. We're going to book one, and I reckon by the end of the month, I'll get my Silverline adventure. Anyway, let's get in there. We'll have a look at this car park first because it's the multi-million-dollar car park. Okay, so here we are looking at the On the Move Adventure Series.
Yes.
You can just see from this chassis, it looks like a Meccano set. And it's got special rivets that they put aeroplanes together with. Apparently they're resistant to all kinds of vibrations. Now, the big clanger, it is made in China. Now, before you sharpen your fingers up on the keyboard, start putting comments down in the comments section, just got to remember that some of the world's best products are made in China, like Converse, Nike, Apple, Chanel, Ray-Ban. There's no welding on the chassis, to my understanding, and you bolt the whole wheel assembly and suspension. Look at this suspension, this new wishbone, whatever it is. I'll put some links in, you can read a little story about it, but it looks like the ants' pants. There's a video link as well. You look at the front.
It is about suspension and you.
You look at the front toolbox. It all looks like the real deal to me.
Inside, first thing, Dometic fridge. Next thing, ensuite. This one you can actually see, but look at the width. I don't know. But large shower. Long things. Your arm, pretty much arm length in. Craig's favourite, cafe seating. I don't think there's a lot of prep area here on this bench. New windows, double glazed.
Okay, I found the beauty.
Oh my god, here it is again.
Silverline. Let's go. Check it out. Oh, this must be the latest one. 103.
Show special.
Jayco. Show special.
Discount.
What do you reckon?
$3,000. Oh wow, this
Show discount. Okay, let's check out the brownness. Oh, beautiful. Not so much wood grain. Actually, that wood grain, it's not too bad.
Oh, you think it's getting scandy, do you? You think they've gone? You think it's starting to get the bright scandy colour?
I think this is better than normal. And look here at this. Look at the seating here. Check that out. And it's got one of those great tables I like. Look, give you a demo of that in a second. Beautiful bed area, isn't it? What do you reckon? You liking this one? Look at that, lovely spot for the TV. It's on our list, top 4.
It's on your list.
No, it's our list. There's no yours. No, our list. We're going to rent one of these and we're going to take it out and we're going to test it. You like that?
No, it's on the wrong side. But...
Big window. Big drawers, self-closing. Well, they've certainly tricked it up, these Jaycos.
It's not black pack, this is like chrome, like charcoal-y.
Is that good?
What's different?
Coloured metal.
That's a good tablet.
That is nice.
This is strong. This is a good cooktop.
That is a good cooktop, I like that.
This is all their
pantry
and stuff.
Trick that out however you like.
They've got 2.
I like
So
that.
one over there, one over
What do you
there.
think
That's
about
bigger.
that? Soft close.
Stop
Up
selling
here,
the damn thing.
Dometic air conditioning.
God.
Quality
Listen, it
inclusions.
does have a Dometic fridge, which I must admit ticks a lot.
There's power bay over here, that's good. Pops up out of the darkness. Come on, speak up. This is good. Hold this while I swivel this table around. It's my favourite table. Around. Yes. There we go, look. Oh. I like that. What do you reckon? Look at all this space. Nice smooth finishes like you like. Super hinges in here. Look. You don't need those struts getting in the road of what you're putting in. Underlights, LED.
At the Sydney show. Oh my God, no.
Yeah. Here we are in the big Earth Camper. ARB Earth Camper.
Well, this is inside the camper.
It's the first one I've seen. Look at that, map of the world. I reckon you can take this camper
Oh my God.
everywhere. Well, maybe you can. Big bed, electrical components.
Is that not wireless charging or something?
I don't know. Wireless charging, who knows?
Oh no, just looking up there.
It's got all the good gear in it. What's this drawer? Let's see. Big. This quite big. What's that?
How does it open? Oh, so that would be like a table.
It's like a table you can sit around.
Pantry. Like this just slides around. These slide out of the way.
Yeah. It's Pretty good. What's this? Outdoor shower?
Well, yes, this is the ensuite tank. Here's the shower.
Cool. Right.
Big space, but when you get
So
the
you just rig
caravan,
this up. That must fold into the side of the camper. Oh yeah, look up there. So that's pretty quick to set up, isn't it?
And the hot water
And the hot
system
water
goes,
slides back in there.
slides in, and then just go in. That's where the red arc thing is.
All your poles in there.
Spare
Inverter.
tyres in there.
Spare tyre.
Let's not out the dust.
Yeah, it's probably pretty good idea. Around here.
DO35. That's another ARB light.
Oh yeah. Big door.
Pantry.
Pretty good. Okay. My God, that was a bit of an epic journey in that show. I haven't seen that many people at a show forever.
Well, we don't normally go on a Sunday.
No, Sunday, yeah.
did
Usually
go
we're
on a
there on a
Sunday.
Friday, like a weekday.
Yeah.
There's no one there. But you go on a Sunday when they're all there trying to get the last bargains of the day, that kind of thing, which is a good strategy. So we ferreted our way around, didn't we? We saw those great two vans,
Oh, God.
the Jayco Silverline.
Uh-huh.
Tracy doesn't like it. And but that on the move thing.
Oh,
Hopefully we can get one from them.
another one.
Take it out, give it a little spin, give you a better review of it, because I think there's some real value there. But anyway, that was good. Hope you liked this little episode. We will be back with the big Jayco review a couple of weeks' time.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I can't wait for that. It's going to be great, isn't it?
Yes.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Just click that bell as well, because that'll give you a notification straight away there's a new episode. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. What's wrong with the window? She's not even driving and she wants the window clean.
Well, you're the one that gives me the GoPro.
Goodness
Make me
me, goodness
film
me.
out of the dirty window.
Okay.
I reckon I've earned maybe 2 glasses of wine.
The beautiful beast juices are coming out. Beautiful in here. It's like a magic forest. I don't understand that. The wrong bit of stuff. Check this mummy out. This is a knife.
Okay, well that's a knife. That's
Camp
cute.
Boss Super Chopper. That's why you come to these shows, so you get bargains.